Hello Kent, we've got the transmission out of your Dodge pickup. This is kind of what it looks like when it's all apart. I'll go over some things with you, and Eric or Amanda will contact you with cost estimates on what's going to take to repair this thing. So we'll start with the pan. We've got a little bit of material on the magnet. If you look at the magnet down here, you can see there's steel on that. That steel is coming from the band that comes on for second gear, so you can see how the band is gone way past its limit. This is something that catching it a little sooner, we probably would have had to replace the band, but this band is going to be wrapped around this drum here, and this drum is no good because the rivets there have now eaten into the drum, so this surface of the drum is now no good. So the drum is been damaged because of the band. The clutches that are inside here, you can see they are burnt. You can see the leopard spotting on the steel plate and the clutches themselves. This is a nice uniform color here, but we got blackening on that disc. More on here. So this clutch has been slipping. This comes on for third and also for reverse, but that's likely going to be because of the heat generated from the converter, or from the band. The overdrive direct clutches, they're in pretty good shape. You see the steel plate has a uniform color across there, same thing with the disc. The snap ring that holds that into the drum was broken. Here's some pieces of the snap ring here. It's a fairly common thing to have the snap ring break, but as you can see, that one's all broken up. That holds that clutch into this drum right in this groove here, so it didn't do any damage, but we're obviously going to have to replace the snap ring. The overdrive clutch that comes on for fourth gear, same thing, no slippage. We've got uniform color here, same thing on our clutch discs. The low reverse band comes on for reverse and manual one holdback. It looks like it's in good shape too. Our rear clutch, which comes on for all the forward gears, it looks like it's in good shape as well. They're all going to have a little bit of wear, but they haven't been slipping. The pump looks like it's in good shape too, so we're going to have to clean it and measure it, but right now we don't have anything to make us believe the pump has any problems. Our planetaries look okay as well, same thing with our sun gears. So rear planetary there, that looks okay. The Torrington bearings, we still have to wash them, but they look okay. Haven't seen one that's bad yet. The valve body, there are the governor solenoid has, the metal has been because it's got a magnet inside of it, that metal's been attracted into it, so we should replace that governor solenoid at the very least as well. They're all in condition. This manual valve here, we put in a late design. It's actually not, it's an aftermarket valve to allow the torque converter to fill up in park range as well. And then in this area we have a pressure regulator valve. We'd replace that as well, and there's a solenoid switch valve here. So there's some aftermarket valves that if we put those in, we can make the transmission a little bit more durable, and performance wise it's better as well. So the other thing is the range sensor, which is on the side of the transmission. This tells the computer what gear you've selected, and if you can see in there, you can see oil dripping off of here. Well, the oil is inside this cavity, which means the oil has kind of come through here. So on the inside here, oil is going through the switch and coming out here, so the switch is no good. We could end up with a bad connection if we don't do something about that as well. So as I said, Eric or Amanda will contact you with the cost estimates, and now you know what the inside looks like. Thanks.